things we get to do are our misting and fog systems. And I'm going to show you a little bit today about this awesome one that we've got set up, how it's set up, how to turn it on and off, the maintenance of it, and we're going to really dive into mist systems. The first thing you need to know about your mist pump is there's always going to be an electrical shutoff for it. In this case, we've got the breaker for the mist pump. It's in the on position. If you're ever doing any service on your mist pump, you want to make sure that this breaker is off. So that's the first step. Typically after the breaker, it goes into an outlet where that mist pump plugs in. In this situation, we've got the outlet with the waterproof cover on top. And then finally, the mist pump has an on and off switch. So there's 3 different places that you can turn and control the power on this mist pump: the breaker, the plug, and the switch. So once you understand the water supply to the mist pump is component number 1, the electrical supply, the pump is what converts the household water pressure into our high pressure misting and fog system. And it's really as simple as just turning it on. There's a couple of different ways. If this is powered all the time, there's a control switch on the mist pump. You turn that on, mist pump comes on, and your misting system starts to work. In this situation, we've got our mist pump controlled through automation through our pool panel. So our customer can actually use the wireless remote or the pool controls to turn on his mist system. So let's talk service. Some of the things that prolong the life of your mist system is proper service and proper maintenance. We ask that in the fall, you drain all the lines for the mist system. You'll shut the water off. You'll drain the water out of this cartridge filter here. You can actually drain the lines from the mist system and make sure there's no water that can freeze within the system itself. And that's really all you have to do to winterize a system. In the spring, when you start the system up, that's a great time to actually take some of the mist nozzles and clean those in like a vinegar solution, which is a mild acidic solution, to take some of the calcium off, and then reconnect all your lines and pressurize your system. And just check to make sure all those mist nozzles are working well. So starting the system up in the spring is pretty simple. There are service companies throughout the valley that do a spring and fall winterization and service of mist systems, and they're specifically very good at it. So I would not hesitate to call them, let them come out, maybe do it the first time, and see if it's something that you want to do yourself on an annual basis. So let's talk warranty. What kind of warranty do our mist systems have? Well, these are made by Fogco, and they're a local Chandler-based company. All of our pumps come with a 3-year warranty on the pump itself, but you got to maintain it. You've got to properly winterize it. They will not warranty any freeze damage or something where pipes have been cracked or the system has not been properly drained in the wintertime. We do get freezes here occasionally, especially with some of these small pipes. So this is a system that's very prone to damage during the wintertime. But you've got it covered for 3 years through Fogco. To elaborate a little bit more on our warranties, all of the ancillary products, the mist line, the mist tubing, the nozzles, those come with a 1-year warranty, and those also do need maintenance. So we do not warranty from clogged nozzles unless it's really within the first season or so, and it's not clogged from calcium buildup. So if you've got something stuck in the line, call us, we'll come out and take a look. But again, know that the mist nozzles actually need some form of maintenance and cleaning on an annual basis.